The EZ Etching Press comes with a small hand wheel, which is perfect for feeding the media through the two rollers. We do supply a larger 18-inch diameter wheel as an optional extra. Let me show you how to replace it. Replace a small one with a larger wheel. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screw from the center. And once you've done that, carefully place it somewhere safely. Now, the optional wheel comes in 5 parts. So you've got the central shaft there, and then you've got 4 handles. Yeah. You'll also find that the grub screws are packed in a little plastic bag. So there's 5 grub screws, 4 here and 1 there. The holes are pre-threaded, so you need to insert this into the pre-threaded holes. It's very simple to assemble this. As you can see through there, basically it needs to go about halfway, can you see? And then you would tighten that with an Allen key. So that's one. And the next one. And repeat these for all the other ones as well. So just tighten that here. Now you may wish to leave the last one for a short while, and I'll show you the reason why. Now you need to make sure that this Allen screw is facing upwards, and it needs to screw onto the flat part of this shaft here. You may find it beneficial to hold onto the bottom roller to stop it spinning, and then mount it so, and then using an Allen key lock the whole assembly into place. Now the reason why I left this out was it's easier to tighten this so the handle's not getting in the way. So now I can put the 4th handle into position and lock that into place as well. As a final check, it's wise to probably tighten them a little bit more so they're nice and secure. And just to make sure that is also secure. Okay, so there we have a larger wheel, 18-inch in diameter. This makes it easier when you wish to apply more pressure. So let me show you an example. For example, here we have a board, our liner material, and the paper we wish to print onto. Obviously there's different ways you can actually mount. You can place the liner material upside down onto a paper, whichever way suits you. But here we're just showing you how to feed the material, or how easy it is using a large wheel. So here we have an optional blanket. It's not necessary, but you know, if you feel it helps, you can obviously use it. Let's just make sure that everything is central. Yeah. Now the wheel will turn freely to a point, and when it hits the liner material, you'll feel kind of a resistance, and that's when you can actually turn this easily. As you can probably see, a larger wheel will help to feed the media and apply pressure a lot easier. Pressure is really applied by adjusting these 2 screws clockwise for lowering the roller. There are 2 rollers, one at the bottom, one at the top. So turning this clockwise drops the rollers down, and anti-clockwise lifts the rollers up, as you can probably see here. In addition to the optional extra 18-inch hand wheel, we also do supply a set of 4 feet. Now these are special feet which allow you to secure the machine to a workbench. We supply wooden screws as well, so this can be screwed to a wooden bench. It's fairly easy to replace these feet. All you need to do is to tilt your machine to one side, and just by unscrewing these, and then screwing these back on instead. So let's just tilt the machine and remove the existing brackets. Once you've replaced one foot, repeat the process for the other feet also.